Hey guys, if you're thinking about buying gold, hold up. Before you go and try to become the next Scrooge McDuck, there are a few things that you should know. We're going to cover 7 key points that will give you a solid foundation before making any big decisions. And if you're curious about adding gold to your portfolio, well, I've got a little something extra for you at the end. Hint, hint, it involves IRAs and Goldco. But first, let's dive into the golden details. Number 1, gold stocks are not the same as physical gold. When you buy shares in gold mining companies, you're investing in their operations, not directly in the metal itself. These companies face risks like management decisions, regulations, or even social unrest in the countries where they operate. So while you may profit from gold prices going up, the risks tied to these companies are different from simply owning physical gold. If you're looking for a way to actually own gold and hold it long term, like for retirement, a precious metals IRA might be the option you're looking for. More on that later. Number 2, physical gold is more than just bars. You might think of gold bars when you imagine physical gold, but it also includes coins and rounds. For instance, government minted coins have a face value, but their actual worth is based on the gold content, which is far higher than the face value. So while you technically could use gold coins for transactions, that'd be like using a $100 bill to buy a cup of coffee. Not exactly ideal. If you prefer to keep your gold safely tucked away for your future, setting it up in a precious metals IRA could be a smart move. Number 3, you'll pay a premium for physical gold. When purchasing physical gold, expect to pay more than its spot price. Coins, especially rare ones, often come with a higher premium than bars. Bars can also vary in price depending on their size, and larger bars generally have smaller markups. But regardless of size, every purchase will have an extra fee attached to it. That's something to keep in mind when deciding how much physical gold to buy and how you'll store it for the long haul. Number 4, you need a safe place to store your gold. Gold isn't something you want lying around in your sock drawer. You'll need to invest in a proper safe if you're keeping it at home, or you can opt for third-party storage like a bank or specialized facility. But here's an easy solution if you're looking for more than just a home safe. Goldco's precious metals IRAs allow you to securely store your gold in government-approved depositories. You get the peace of mind of knowing it's safe without the stress of having to figure out storage on your own. Number 5, physical gold is taxed as a collectible. When selling gold, be aware that the IRS taxes it as a collectible. If you hold it for less than a year, it's taxed as regular income. Hold it longer and you'll face a higher tax rate compared to other long-term investments, making it a less ideal option for building wealth. For those looking for a tax-advantaged way to hold gold, a precious metals IRA could offer you a smart alternative. Number 6, gold can be allocated or unallocated. When you store gold, it can either be allocated or unallocated. Allocated gold means you own specific bars or coins, while unallocated gold is pooled with others' holdings and may be loaned out by the institution holding it. If you're going for unallocated storage, make sure to research the provider carefully to avoid potential risks. A reputable company like Goldco can help you navigate these choices when setting up your precious metals IRA. Number 7, gold does not provide consistent returns. The value of gold can fluctuate due to various factors such as economic uncertainty, government bond yields, or changes in currency values. While gold can act as a hedge against inflation over the long run, it's not a steady source of income and can experience significant price swings. That's why it's crucial to think of gold as a way to help protect what you already have rather than as a quick profit maker. Bottom line, if you're serious about helping to secure your future with gold, consider looking into Goldco's Precious Metals IRA. It's a smart way to add gold to your retirement portfolio with the security of a government-approved depository. To get started, just scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching, and remember, before you go for the gold, make sure you do your homework.